Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on clearing the cache and app data on Sony Bravia or other Android smart TVs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by hitting the Home button on your remote. From the home screen, open Apps. Find the app you want to clear the cache and data on. Highlight it and then hold down the OK or Enter button on your remote to open an action menu. Select Info. On the Info page for that app, scroll down and you can clear the data and the cache of that app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.